Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Sheila Solis Francisco. I am 35 years old. I have two daughters and two boys. The ages is 19, 16, 12, and 1 year, 6 months. I am 35 years old. First, I work in Dubai. I finished my contract 2 years. I serve in a family, 6 member. They have 4 kids. The ages is 25, 15, 35, and 30. Second, in Saudi Arabia, I'm 4 years contract in my one employer in Saudi. They have 5 members in the family. They have 3 kids, one boy and two daughters. The ages is 15, 4, and a newborn baby. Especially I taking care the newborn baby, and all I do work, the house, do cleaning and laundry and ironing clothes, and especially taking care the kids. And if I finish my do housework, I play with the kids, and I teach them to the homework. Uh, and in Hong Kong, in my first employer, I finished my contract, and also I and also I taking care the kids and go to the school, in the school bus, in waiting area. And they have 2 kids. The ages is 7 and 4 years old. One girl and one boy. In Shatin. My madam and sir, they always go in work, and me, and all I do, Charles, is cooking, marketing, and laundry, and taking care of the kids. And also I teach them the homework, and playing with them if I finish my work. And my third con my second employer in Hong Kong, I'm 8 months, and my employer terminated my contract because in a good reason. Because my employer is, they have no work. They said to me, she taking care the kids. That's why they terminate my contract. uh, if if you choose me as your helper, Mom, don't worry, I do my best. I'm trustworthy, and helpful, and generous, and kind, and good helper. And don't worry, I do my best to taking care of your children, and serve into your family. Thank you, sir and ma'am. It's my pleasure if you hired me as your helper. Thank you. Bye bye.